Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a TNT launcher slash cannon. Okay, so now I'm about to run into the game. Okay, I'm going inside the game right now. Okay, just wait. Create new world, creative, peaceful, flat, create. And this TNT cannon, it works really well, and it's a really good design because it's really simple and very effective if you're playing like TNT, like what is it called, TNT, like there's one game where you have to make TNT things and then like against your players, like against your friends, and then you can, this is really useful for that, those kind of things. Okay, so the blocks that you're gonna need is any type of block. It can be flammable, by the way, but yeah, it can be flammable this time, not like the other video where you had to make it non-flammable. So okay, so these are the things that you will need. Then you need a water bucket. That's about all. Make a 2x2 area, not a 2x2 area, a 3x2 area, or 2x3 area, I don't know. Okay, then I do this, do like this. Then I forgot two things that you need to take. You have to take any type of fence and a pressure plate. Stone pressure plate would be recommended because it's the easiest one to do it. Okay, then you do this. Okay. If it makes a tick noise, don't worry because it'll just make one singular tick. That's all it'll do. Now just get your hotbar filled with TNT. Okay, TNT. Okay, TNT, right? TNT, and then TNT right there. Then take back your water bucket. Take your water bucket, not a water bottle. Take your water bucket, put it there, then click this button, and then you got yourself your TNT cannon. Look how cool this is. It shoots the TNT out so far that you can't even see it. That's how far it shoots. So it's a really cool contraption and really simple. It can be used for many things, like if you have like a server you're on. By the way, this works in Java as well. Okay, see how cool that is. It works in Java. You can use it for like bomb, like you can bomb people's base, and you can also use it in a TNT build battle kind of thing. Okay guys, that's all for the video. I hope you enjoyed. I tried to make the video as fast and as simple as possible. I hope you enjoyed, and if you enjoyed and if you learned something new, please subscribe and leave a like. Bye bye.